that powerful. Yes, man. Iba yung bela bon la janga, after binabera tumol la laju. Shout out to the consultants and everyone working here. Back to the reality of the Gambia. Here I go. I am Lucky Child, the eye of the Gambia, the Prince of Africa. Simply, we're working at each and every day to make a better name and a greater name for the Gambia today and for Africa tomorrow. We stand, we strive, we work and pray that all may live in big unity, freedom, peace each and every day. Let's justice, guide and drive our actions towards our brotherhood. Right now, as I said, I am the eye of the Gambia, the Prince of Africa, working hard each and every day to make a better name for the Gambia and for Africa. So as we said, we are not in the Gambia to sell out wrong news, bad news around the group. All what we are trying to do is to create a good image about the Gambia. All the good advice I have from our Gambian brothers and sisters who are on Facebook, TikTok, and then trying to put a Gambia image on a bad narrative, right? So, salute Almada Wadalbije. If you are new to the platform, this is Lucky Child, the eye of the Gambia. Here is one of the best hotel, right? In the Gambia, which is Bakadaji, owned by Gambian. But the reason why we are here, it is the OIC route, the new face of Senegambia. So, Papaji, let's walk around and then show them the new development right now, the new face, the new changes right now in the Gambia, the new filler roses right across the group, across the country. Papaji, good news about the Gambia, no fake news. I mean, say, dimba pang man and man, dimba pang woman and woman. We no promote it. We no promote sad news. We don't promote bad news. We don't promote killing. Fake medias. It's all about me. Check out Lucky Child. So right now, this is why we're here, to show you the positive side of the Gambia. So here are the filler roads right now, moving on. So right from Bakau straight to Senegambia. So it have to go up to Airport Johnson, which is Yundum. So other sides it will have the filler roads, and the other side will have in slabs, both sides of the road. This is what we love in the Gambia. And then what I have to say to my people, let's maintain the peace that our people have been living. We support among one another. So Papaji, we saw them this side already. Saw them. So if this is the first layer, yeah? And then they will come and then put the second layer, compact it. Yeah?
You know, finally done on that moment, you know.
Yes.
So cars
finally
can start using it anyhow, you know.
Cars can use it.
You want to take the main road, you take the main road. You want to take the
filler roads, till you have the connection to the highway. So right now, Papaji, you're checking the beauty of that image there. Yeah. In every 6 months, you come to Gambia, you miss the Gambia for 6 months, you come back to the motherland. All what you see is good, nice image, proper image. So Gambia is fast growing. Gambia is fast developing, faster than before. Salute to Alma. Thank you, So right now, who them are try for your chat. We saw them the other side of the road. Yeah, man. For the whole side of the road is already fixed. Yeah? So salute Mapa, let's go to the right way. Both sides, yeah. You see the cars driving on top of it? Yeah? Pa, let me show you something, yeah? Every Johnson, every head of a Johnson, they will concrete and then put the black asphalt. Every Johnson, there will be a concrete. You understand? Wow. So let's go. Move. P. So here, here will be the thickness of the feeder road. Come here. This is it. So they will continue from here straight forward. Yeah. So these works are going on right now. So we can move. So what you love about this? But you see the big truck there?
Yeah. Well,
But look at these buildings.
good job, the good structures.
This is another image, yeah?
Nice structures.
Hmm?
The nice structures. Like,
Yeah.
this is a good development. This is an rapidly development. This, yeah.
So these are the new works that's going on, right? Heavy work, heavy jobs. Magi, sandal lagi nang sekam. Yes, sir. Pa yombut na ka? So pa gis nga yini lañ nekk di génne yi. Yi lañ nekkoon foofu bi lañ njëkkoon a tour pour moto ñu mun a move around. But right now gis nga actual truck ba lay na le mu ngi tour. So you go your tour, tasaare ko, compact ko. So they clean all this out. Come up. All right.
Right,
You see here,
you got clean after you take for Benen.
Belen, wow, why? Therefore, what a match ugly. This, the level we should be with this concrete, the thickness of it, straight. You understand?
Yeah.
So divert the way, go to that Johnson.
Yeah,
You cannot drive, or you divert and go to the road. Can't drive here.
Okay, you should also divert.
Yeah, we all should be
Yes.
dive.
When they say diversion, not only them in the car,
Yeah.
but if you walk, you should divert, don't jump the rope, innit?
So they're trying to make sure to clean the place. You see how clean it is. So we're still moving on. Pa, hope that's the other side. We cross the other side and then we cross where they walk it. We just want to see how they set up down there.
All right.
Yeah?
Laulen, kau mungkin nyu.
Yeah, pa. It goes like that straight, yeah? So jangan pernah bakal ne babele clear lah. New cross. Look at it. Heavy work all the bajana. Fella from order. Yes. Aja lah dia nyam. Ya prokol je lah paborikan je nyam. Very nice. This is what we have for our country, and this is what we got to talk about our country, because it's beautiful, definitely. It's very nice, and it's a very lovely country. The people itself are very nice. Pa. Liggéey bi baax na set na. Pajo come back bi. Misambalo. Tombalo. Pa misambalo mong la dai. Yeah, easy. Waaw misambalo mu ne de bu ma analyse télé bi mo obu télé bi. Wa nañ dem. Misambalo mu ngi busy ak gaayam yi. But it's very heavy and powerful. Yes, man. Iba nyimbele bon la janga, after binabera sumol le la lagi. Shout out to the consultants and everyone working here. Can I push? But can I push that? Huh? It's very heavy. You okay? Yeah, I know.
It's very heavy.
Don't do it. Pa, buku lagi.
No. What car can pull? Let's see how. Let's go. Don't bother.
Balo buku lagi na. So this is it. This is the heaviest work right now in the Gambia. Yes, man. So from here we are going to Sukuta traffic light to show you the update that's going on in Sukuta traffic light. So shout out to post.